What's up, guys? Paul here. Welcome to Hub City Drones and Gadgets. Thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel, you guys. I do appreciate it. And don't forget, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe and that notify button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today, you guys, I'm going to show you a really cool gadget. It's the FRIZCOL CHILLGO Foldable Neck Fan. I absolutely love this foldable neck fan, you guys. I use this little dude all the time when I'm doing yard work, and I even use it when I go out west to fly my drones to beat this damn Texas heat. This little dude does an amazing job at keeping you cool. It has 3 speeds, and it has 4 air vent fans on it. 2 in the rear and 2 fan vents in the front of it. So it cools you off super fast. And it even has a pause button on it. So if you don't want to use the 2 back motors, you can just shut them off and keep the 2 front ones running. Plus, it has a 5200 mAh rechargeable battery. So you get several hours of use out of it, which is really awesome. The price, that's really awesome too, you guys. Check this out right now on Amazon, right around 25 bucks. That's an absolute steal for a little gadget that's going to keep you cool in this scorching heat. The link in the description, but don't click that link yet. Let's go unbox this dude, check it all out, and I'm going to show you guys just how good this thing works. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to get our FRIZCOL CHILLGO Foldable Neck Fan out of the box and check everything out. Here's the box that it comes in. As you can see, I did get a little bit of damage from Amazon shipping, but it happens, but I'm pretty sure the fan is okay. You got some of your features here on the side. 3 speeds, foldable, low noise, 5200 mAh LiPo battery. That's a pretty good sized battery. Quickly cooling, 4 air vents. And over here you got your colors, manufacturer. Now I don't know about the pink, blue, and this gray color here, but I do know they have one available in black as well. I'm actually thinking of getting the black one too. These things work great. But that's the box. Now let's get everything out and check it out. Oh, what do we got? So right here we have our USB charging cable. This is a Type-C charging cable. Just about everybody's moving to these, which is really cool. You don't have to worry about which way to put it in. It goes in both ways, upside down and forward and all that other good stuff. So 1 charging cable. Then we have, I'm going to get this out here because this is like right here. But check this out, you guys. They even include a little storage bag to put your fan in when you fold it up. You store it right on in here, close it up, hang it on the wall, put it on your shelf. That's cool. They included that. It's a nice little touch. Then we have, let's see, I know there's more in here. Oh, check that out. All right, we're going to get this box out of our way. And we do have one manual. So it's just a folded pamphlet manual. There ain't a whole lot to it, you guys. Pretty much just gives you the specifications again, kind of like on the back of the box there. Your warranty policy is in here. And then it points out all the features on the fan, how to operate it, and all that other good stuff. So not a hard read, 2-page manual. You're good to go. But now it's time for our fan, you guys. Check this out. Oh, here we go. Well, they wrapped it and packaged it really good. Like, really good. Come on, there we go. Jeez, this thing is huge. Check that out. That's cool. All right, we're going to get that out of our way. That's good right there. But check it out, you guys. Here is our foldable neck fan. It's really super lightweight too. It's not heavy at all, so it's going to be super comfortable when you're wearing it. You probably won't even notice it's on there other than that cool air blowing into your face. But very cool. We got a little bit of protectors here for shipping. I'll pull those off just like so. But I like the way it's adjustable too. Like right here, it's fully open for your neck. But check it out. You can actually tilt these 2 front pieces away from you or even right on you to get that air blowing right on your neck where you need it to be. That is really cool. Super foldable. Check it out. It just folds right up. That's pretty much all there is to it. Nicely made too. It feels really solid too. I like that. So here's our charging port. Again, you can use your included charging cable, and you can charge this with a 5-volt 2-amp charger box. Charge time for a full charge is about 2.5 hours. But what's really cool with this fan, you guys, is that you get 3.5 to 10 hours of use out of it. And again, that depends on what speed you're in. If you're using speed 1, you'll get the 10 hours and then figure probably somewhere around 4 to 5 on speed 2, and you're looking closer to the 3.5 on speed 3. But what's really cool too is, check this out. On the inside here, it's got these 4 fan vents, but there's actually 4 different fans and motors in here. So it blows a lot of air, which is really cool. Over here's our power and pause button. I'll show you that pause button in a minute, but let's turn this dude on. You long press it. Check that out. So you can hear right now, you probably can't even hear it. It's super quiet. So that's speed 1, speed 2, and that's speed 3. And you guys, it's really, oh, listen to it vibrate on the table. It's really putting some air out, which is really, really cool. So the air comes through here. You got your fans bringing in your air through your vents, and it's pushing it out through here, which is really cool. And then this pause button, what this does is if it's too much air on your neck, you can actually turn the 2 back motors off by pressing pause, and nothing's coming out of here now. It's just these 2. And I really do like the way this thing is adjustable like that. Turn it off, power it on. These are just pretty much for show. I think there might be a little bit of an intake vent in here as well. I see some holes back in there. But nice design. It's very light on the neck, you guys. I wear this when I cut my grass all the time, and honestly, I pretty much just forget it's even there. I don't even feel it's on there. When you put this on, you don't want to stretch it out and go over your head. You want to go behind your neck and slip it on that way, and it will just rest there, and then you can tilt these in whatever direction you want them to. But when you're done, you just fold it up, check it out, put it in the included little carrying bag, and it fits right on in there, just like so. And you zip it up, and you're good to go, you guys. That is really cool. And that, you guys, is the FRIZCOL CHILLGO Foldable Neck Fan. This neck fan really works great, you guys. I mean, it's literally perfect for just about any outdoor activity. Running, jogging, biking, yard work, all kinds of stuff. I use it when I go fly my drones out west and it's really hot. I just put this little dude around my neck, turn it on. It keeps me super cool. I love how lightweight it is too, and it's really quiet, which that's really important to me so I can hear what's going on around me. It's not blowing in my ear and making me deaf. But I would absolutely recommend getting the FRIZCOL CHILLGO neck fan, you guys, because you cannot beat the price right now. Seriously, only about 25 bucks on Amazon. That's a damn good deal for this fan. The link, as always, is down in my description. That, you guys, is going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember, hit that subscribe and that notify button for me. Till next time, guys, have fun. Stay safe out there.